Moi! Turku Yoga Guide here again. Welcome to this session where we'll explore Utthita Parsvakonasana and Brahmacharya. Utthita Parsvakonasana means extended ankle pose, and Brahmacharya means modesty. Modesty means the middle path that we already talked about, but also increasing the energy in your body in order to purify your body. So while you are doing the following pose, Utthita Parsvakonasana, it might be a little bit more demanding already for your physical body, but also for your mind. But remember to stay in the middle path, don't do too much, don't do too little, and feel how it feels in your body, so you can start maybe stretching your own boundaries a little bit. So let's explore Utthita Parsvakonasana. Start from Samastitihi. Step to your right and place your feet now underneath your palms, so you have wider stance than before. As you exhale, rotate your right leg again from your hip socket, and now this time bend your right knee 90 degrees so you place the knee above your heel. You can place your right elbow to support your upper body. So place the elbow on your knee and then bring your left arm diagonally up. So you're creating a long stretch to your left side, all the way from the end of your left foot along the left side of your body, through your armpit, all the way towards the fingertips. And this is the pose where you can stay for 5 breaths. If you want to go a little bit deeper, you can bring the right hand on the outside of your right leg. And here you can use a block to support your hand. So place the hand on the yoga block and the left arm goes diagonally up. Once you have gained more strength and flexibility, the next option is to place the block so it's lower. And then finally, once your body is even more flexible and stronger, you can place your palm all the way down to the floor and stay here for 5 breaths. With the inhalation, come back to the center, rotate your legs in same direction, and then repeat the same thing to the left side. So rotate your left leg from the hip socket, bend your left knee 90 degrees. Bring the left hand on the outside of your left foot, on the block or on the floor, or keep your elbow on your knee. And bring the right arm diagonally up, so you're opening the right side of your body towards the ceiling and stretching and lengthening from the fingertips all the way down to the outer edge of your foot. Stay here for 5 breaths. And then with the inhalation, come back up to the center, rotate your feet in same direction, and finally step your legs together, Samastitihi. So this pose, Utthita Parsvakonasana, will give you stronger legs. You will learn how to rotate your legs outwards. So the external rotation happens in your hip sockets, and you can also elongate your side of your body. Either first the left side that is stretching and reaching, and then you are stretching and reaching the more space to the right side of your body. And remember to stay in the middle path. Don't do too much, don't do too little. Brahmacharya means that you create more energy in your body. So you're not draining and using all the energy that you have in your body, but you are getting more energy while doing all the practices, the yoga poses. In the next session, we will be reaching down towards the floor with the legs wide open. Until that, kiitos, moi moi.